Hello everybody, Bradley here, and I bet you're wondering how, like the Slurpee machine at 7-Eleven, I was able to take all of the different flavors of Civilization and mix them together. How was I able to combine the Last Best West ability from Canada with Mother Russia? Those are two different civs, but wait a minute, there's also a Holche on the screen. Isn't that Maya's unique unit? And if I remember correctly, the Chamomile is Mapuche's unique tile improvement. How on earth did you possibly combine all these things together to make the ultimate super custom mega civ? Well, let's watch the video and find out. Also, I heard if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, the ultimate super civ that you create gets 10 times more ultimater and superer. Let me introduce you guys to Civ Blitz, a website that allows you to mix and match your favorite things from your favorite civs together to create the ultimate powerhouse civ of your dreams. I had nothing to do with this website, it's just something cool that someone else has done that I would like to show you guys, but we've been using this a lot over on our Twitch stream at twitch.tv/VanBradley. That link is in the description. I want to say 4 of our last Civ games on Twitch have been a mix and match game where we're just trying to really create the most fun and unique Civ we possibly can. I know Peppermint Butler is also streaming with Civ Blitz at the moment, and I know a few other creators have tried it out, so I thought I'd just show you around, show you how it works, make sure that you guys, if this is something that would be fun for you, at least knew it existed and how to do it. The website here is civ-blitz.herokuapp.com. If that's too much to remember, don't even worry. That link will be in the description. You'll just have to click it. Once you head to Civ Blitz here, all you have to do is click Mod Tester. There's a Discord server there that you can join if you would like to, but you can hit Mod Tester here and boom, we are on the interface that we need to create our ultimate powerhouse Civ. There are 4 sections of civilization that we will be able to combine together however we wish. The first is our civilization ability. That is the ability of the overall civilization, America, Arabia, Australia, etc. We then have our leader ability. That is the ability of the leaders, Alexander, Amanator, Ambiorix, etc. Our unique infrastructure, which covers all of the unique districts, all of the unique tile improvements, all of those types of things of all the different civs in the game. And then the unique unit, all the unique units from all the civs in the game. We are going to be able to pick one of each of these and combine them together to create one awesome civ. The one thing we can't do though, just to be aware of, is you can't combine multiple of each. So I can't have like multiple unique units. I can't pick multiple civilizations abilities. We get to pick one of each and combine them together to mix and match one awesome civ. Now, there's a few different ways to approach using Blitz to kind of spice up your Civ games. One of them would be just to tweak 1 or 2 things about a specific Civ to make it a little more fun or interesting for you. And for that example, we are going to use Shaka. So what we're going to do is we are going to go down. We have our civilization ability here. So we are going to pick the Zulu. We are going to take our city capturing abilities, all of our loyalty abilities, all of our upgrade to core or army abilities, and we're going to keep those. And then we're going to move on to our leader ability. Because we want all of the cores and armies to unlock a little bit earlier, because you only get the cores and armies if they're unlocked, we're going to have to keep Shaka's ability to unlock those earlier. So we're going to head down to Shaka, may form cores with mercenaries instead of nationalism, and armies with nationalism instead of mobilization. So we're going to keep that. So what we're not doing is spicing things up too much. We're keeping Shaka the same so far. With our unique infrastructure, we can pick whatever we want here. The Akanda is a really good unique encampment. You might want to take a look at Vietnam's unique encampment here if that's something you're interested in. Maybe you're interested in something else, but let's keep the Akanda the same. Now where things are going to get a little spicy is we can just play normal Shaka, but instead of having the Impy unit, what we can do is we can pick the war cart. Imagine having Shaka with an early war cart instead of the Impies. There we are. We have a war cart with Shaka, and that's awesome. So what we're doing is we're taking a civ that's already great as is. No need to spice it up. It's really good at the thing it does well, but we want to try and create something a little fun, a little bit unique. So we're stealing the war cart from Gilgamesh and replacing it or subbing it out for the Impy of Shaka. The next thing you can do is create a completely fun and fictional civ just to mix and match literally everything. So what we are going to do is we're going to create that tundra civ that I talked about earlier. We're going to start down here with Russia. Founded cities start with 5 additional tiles, yada yada. Tundra tiles provide faith and production in addition to their usual yields, all of that good stuff. We are picking Russia. With our leader ability, we are going to head down to Wilfrid Laurier. Where are we at? Wilfrid, hello, hi. Hi, Wilfred. My name is Bradley. Can build farms on tundra tiles and on tundra hills with civil engineering. Snow hills, tundra hills, and tundra tiles cost 50% less gold to purchase. On those types of tiles, strategic. Yeah, you get the point. We're tundraing this bad boy up. For our unique infrastructure, I think scrolling down here to the chemical is going to be awesome. We're going to get additional, +1 production provides culture equal to 75% of this tile's appeal. Being in the tundra, we are going to have a lot of high appeal tiles. That's kind of the game we're going with here. So we're going to sub out the ice hockey rink, or whatever Russia, the Lavra. We're going to get rid of both of those and replace them with the chemical tile improvement. For our unique unit, there are lots of options. Being in the tundra, lots of barbarians are going to spawn near us. So why not go with the, where is it? The Hulche here. Extra range strength against wounded units. It's a really good archer unit, so we're going to steal that from the Maya. Is this the most overpowered Civ you could ever play with? No, but it's a super fun, unique Civ that has some very, very fun kind of interactions with the tundra, some fun units, some fun tile improvements. And what's crazy is it's just a unique way to play Civ that no one has ever played before. Obviously, you should use the site to come up with your wildest, most overpowered, crazy, insane Civ ability mix and match fantasy. But once you've picked the 4 things you want here, one of a Civ ability, leader ability, unique infrastructure, and unique unit, you can select your start bias. So we want to make sure we don't select Maya. We want to make sure we select Russia or Canada, so we do end up anywhere near the tundra. We'll pick Canada here, but it is really interesting to be able to pick all these things and then select the start bias to make sure you are getting what you want. Once you are ready to go, once you have this finished here, what you will need to do is click download mod. Hey everyone, Bradley here, just editing this video and realizing my face was covering the download mod button. I assure you, right under where my face is, there is a download mod button. All you need to do is click it. You can't miss it. Also, apologies for my camera and the border not being perfectly lined up. I haven't used this OBS scene in a while and things got reset and it got, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Anyways, let's get back to the video. As you can see, the mod is downloading here. You are going to have to unzip this file. It's not a hard process. Using whichever unzipping tool that you would use, I'm going to click here. I'm going to be notified that WinRAR is not free, but that is all good. We are here now and we are ready to go. Once we're ready to unzip this file, all we have to do is unzip it into the mod folder of your Civilization 6 game. Everyone's unzipping software might be different, but I'm just going to click Extract To. We are going to click Documents. We are going to click My Games. We are going to click Civilization 6, and we are going to open the mods folder. And once you've kind of highlighted the mods folder there, it's going to confirm your destination path. My name is Bradley. We're going to My Documents, My Games, Civ 6, and then Mods. I'm going to click OK. And then I haven't set it up yet, so I can have multiple of these at one time. I am going to replace all of the current files there. If you're doing this for the first time, you won't have any files to replace. But now we should be good to hop into Civ and play our new Civ. Now that we're in the game, let's make sure our modded Civ installed properly. We're going to click mods here. As you can see, I have some of the other ones that we've been playing around with. We had a Spain, Clio, Mali, Phoenicia kind of gold focused game, which is fun. We had a Dutch, Trajan, Germany, Cree kind of game that was focused on science and production a little bit, which was super fun. But here is our Civ Blitz: Russia, Wilfrid Laurier, Mapuche, and Maya. Those are the 4 things that we have combined together. We're going to make sure that's enabled and we are good to create our game. It's that simple. When you head to create a game, all you got to do is find your mix and match Civ. Here we have Wilfrid Laurier of Russia, which is pretty funny, and it has our Hulche, it has our chemical, it has everything that we combined together. So we can just click that. We can choose our sexy Canadian colors. We can set the game to however we want, and we can start the game. During the loading screen here, it should have all of the things we've selected, the abilities, the Hulche, the chemical. This screen should look mostly the same. It may be absent a Civ leader and all that, but here we are. We're not exactly as close to the tundra as I would have hoped, but we have a wonder start, so that's pretty cool. I didn't change any of the settings of this game. Obviously, you would pick a cold map, because that's kind of the point of what you're doing, and you'd pick not continents ideally, but anyways, when we click Wilfrid Laurier, it's all good. Clio is always going to be the kind of mascot of this mod, so no matter which combination you use, Cleopatra is going to show up here. Why? I have no idea, but it's totally fine. It is not broken if that's happening. And the last thing we have to do is check to make sure everything is working. We've settled St. Petersburg and everything seems to be going fine. We have all of our extra tiles. If I go in here, can we unlock the Hulche at all? Is that something we can unlock? Yeah, if we go to archery, the Hulche is there, which is awesome. That's exactly as expected. So this mod is ready. You are good to go, and you are now playing a game as your customized Civ. I hope you enjoyed this video and will be able to use Civ Blitz to really spice up your Civ games and make the unique powerhouse Civ that you've always dreamed of kind of mashing together and making work. And I hope you just have a new and exciting way to play Civ 6 while we wait for Civ 7, hopefully on the horizon sometime not years from now. As always, the like button and subscribe button are there if you would like to click them. In the description, there are a bunch of links for a Discord server, a Twitch stream, all kinds of fun things that we do around our community. Feel free to head over to the Discord server of Civ Blitz and thank the person that made this awesome kind of mod creating app for us to use. But yeah, otherwise, just thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.